What's going on, Gas Gang? My name's Jamie. Welcome back to Officially Gas. Now today I'm back with another review, and this time it's in the form of this 550 brake horsepower Evo 6. This thing's got a 2.3 stroker kit on it. The weather is terrible today, but we're gonna make it work. So stay tuned and let's get it. So Faisal, welcome to Officially Gas, bro.
Thank you very much for having me, mate.
No, thank you for coming down. This car looks epic, man.
Thank you very much.
I'm loving the colour, firstly. Like, you know, this, I mean, I've seen quite a few Evo 6s about. It might just be me, I'll probably get shot down for this, but is this slightly rarer than your usual colour, or is this...
Yeah, it's a Remus Blue. It's, to be honest with you, it's not to everybody's taste, but the people who like it, they actually love it.
Bro, I think if you've got an Evo, it's got to stand out a little bit
true.
too, in my personal opinion, and I think this does. I mentioned at the beginning that obviously it's got 550 brake horsepower or thereabouts.
Yeah, it's about 530 to 550 because I've not yet had it on a dyno road. The guy who done it for me, AMD, Dan Wigan, he says to me it's about 530 to 550, so obviously it's been road mapped. I've got to put it on a dyno.
No, fair play. I mean, a lot of people do prefer road mapping anyway because
you drive the car on
exactly,
the road,
like, you know, dynos are just numbers. It's got to perform, like, you know,
yeah,
on the road.
100%.
And obviously it's got a 2.3 stroker kit on it.
2.3 stroker, yeah.
Do you want to talk to people at home exactly what's been done to this to get it to this kind of power? And
when I bought the car, it was never running properly. So I asked around, I asked a few people who's the best person to give it to. A lot of names come up, Simon Norris, Simon Norton, and the people like that, and also AMD from Wigan. So what happened was one of my mates was in good contact with him, so I took the car there, left it with him, and he checked the car out for me, and he says to me, he goes, look, the engine's not all there, like this melted the piston basically.
Oh, really?
So I was kind of upset with that, and then after that I says to him, I go, listen, just build the car from the bottom up.
Oh, so it's been built from the bottom. Wow. So did you say it already had a 2.3 stroker?
He had a 2.3 stroker in there, but for some reason it was never there, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
like the power was never coming in and stuff like that, so I was always worried about the car. So when I gave it to him, he says to me, it's going to be a whole engine rebuild, and really? I says to him, fine. A lot of people did say to me that, you know what, break the car for parts and stuff like that, and I was like,
that's a crime, man.
This is an Evo.
That's a crime, isn't it?
Stuff like that to these Evos, yeah. Even though it was going to cost me a lot of money, but I says to Dan, I go, you know what, let's just go for it. Let's just do it, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So I've put my money into it. 2.3 stroker. It's got all uprated cams in there. Got a Precision 62 turbo in there.
Okay.
Which not even on the limit yet. I've been told they're good for 700 brake, and this car's about 530, 550.
That's mad. So it's got a lot more to give.
It's got a lot more to give at the moment.
Do you know what boost pressure you're running on that?
I'm running 1.8 bar.
1.8 bar, and they can run obviously more pressure.
Yeah, you can run more than that.
So as far as the fuel system's concerned, any modifications there?
I've got a swirl pot in the boot, and I've also got 1000cc injectors.
Okay.
And it's all external fuel gear on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I can smell. You can smell fuel in it. You know you're in a race car.
Which
it is
why
right?
I don't let anybody smoke in the car. But it is safe. I know that. Yeah. Those Dan would never have sent it out if he was.
Of course, 100%. Also, I see you got a big old rad on the front. What one's
Yeah, it's
that?
a Toyo rad on there.
Toyo rad. Okay, cool. So I'm guessing it keeps cool.
Yeah, it keeps nice and cool. The car I've never seen it overheat anyway, so unless if it happens today, it's probably going to hopefully not.
Fingers crossed. As far as the gearbox, has that had any modifications?
No, the gearbox is standard. I've been told these gearboxes are good for 700 brake horsepower, so I'm well within the limit at the moment.
Okay, yeah, no, fair play. And the final drive, the diff and all that standard too?
Yeah, that's all standard on it.
Okay, let's move on to wheels. I see they've got, obviously, they're bowlers.
Yeah, I've got bowlers on there. Yeah, I've got quite kind of lucky with that. One of my mates had them there, and he sold them to me. So big shout out to Shakil Parvez.
No, sick. No, I think they sit nice. And we were speaking off camera. You did say this is actually still on stock suspension.
Yeah, I've put it on stock suspension simply because when I turn the steering wheel, you probably hear it in the cameras. It's going to scrape on my mudguards, and I love my mudguards. I'm never going to get rid of them.
No, sick. Okay, cool. And looking at your brakes, obviously they're upgraded.
Yeah, they're 4-pot Brembos.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Stops well then.
Yeah, stops quite well. It does squeak a bit, but stops quite well. Yeah.
I'd imagine that's probably the compound of the pad. It's slightly a more race-focused pad. Fairly standard inside. Looks nice. Guys, hopefully the camera will pick this up, but this thing is mint. This thing does look mint. But yeah, bro, I think we've touched on it all. Let's get out on it, yeah?
Bang on,
let's do it, bro. Wicked.
Let's do it.
Perfect. banging, guys. My ears, I'm deaf. I'm literally, my ears are ringing.
Yeah, my neighbours don't like me.
I bet they don't. And you're saying that's anti-lag too, yeah?
Yeah, it's anti-lag, yeah.
Oh, okay. And you're saying what? It's also got launch control and everything.
Yeah, it's got launch control, everything back into it, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy. So switchable maps, obviously, too, yeah?
No, I've only got the one map on it. Dan, the guy who built it, said to me, keep it at one map only. Okay. And I thought, okay, I'll take your advice because you're the professional. You know what I mean? But the anti-lag's on the button.
Okay, sick. And also, we forgot to touch on the clutch, which sounds quite noisy, you were saying.
Yeah, it's a Ratley is a twin plate XCD clutch in it.
Okay.
I've been told that's quite normal for them anyway, so I was happy with it. It ain't got a problem, it puts the power down and everything like that.
That's the main thing, And also, bro, you mentioned that you did have, it's got a standalone ECU.
Yeah, it's got a Link 4G.
G4, yeah. A lot of the older Jap cars seem to use them.
Yeah, I think it's better for the Jap cars, to be honest with you.
Oh, and you mentioned this has also got a screamer pipe, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's got a screamer pipe in there as well.
Yeah, so when and the manifold on this one's absolutely sick.
Yeah,
but
so when it comes on boost,
that's what I love about these cars, man. It's just different level. And what kind of RPM are you saying it spools up?
Because it's got a big turbo, it waits till it gets to about 4,500, 5,000 revs. And
really? That late, yeah?
All the way till about 7,500.
Really? So it's nothing whack.
And then back.
Bro, I love that. I know it might not be the most efficient compared to like modern cars, with the delivery, but the feeling of it is so good, isn't it?
Oh my God, it just takes you away. I mean, I've scared so many people when they sit next to me.
Oh really? That boost, bro, that's great. It does throw you back in your seat, innit? That's aggressive when you come off the throttle, innit? Oh, that's mad. That is mad. That is mad. And when the screamer opens up too, innit, it's like, yeah, drama. Woo! Jeez! Yeah, she moved. Jeez. The sound of the screamer too. Yeah, she moves in it. It's more at 100% traction though, isn't it? When you're still putting it down. The revs come up quick, innit? Once it hits that boost, it's like, you're doing straight on the gear, innit? Yeah.
I'm kind of gobsmacked myself.
Mate, this is savage. This is savage. 100% traction though, and look how bad it's raining.
I know, it's proper bad.
And the pops and bangs, mate. That is savage. Wait. That is aggressive, boy. That clutch is taking a beat, and you can feel it when it, you know what I mean? When you're changing gears, it comes in hard.
I love the clutch. And no matter how much sounds it makes, the clutch is what does it for me on this car.
That is exhilarating. That way that boost comes in. Right, guys, no joke. Yeah, this is certified, bro. Certified. Alright guys, so I'd love to tell you it's now time for the gassed up 0 to 60s with the draggy, but unfortunately you're not feeling launching it.
Nah, I don't want to launch it just in case, you know, these Evos, I don't want to snap the transfer box or something like that.
It is an older car, so guys, unfortunately today you're just going to have to look at us screaming like little bitches driving the car around the roads. Jeez! Evo time! Are you mad? Oh, I love it. Bro, I just love Evos. I was saying to you off camera.
Yeah.
Bruv, one day I'm gonna own an Evo.
Yeah, you know, wait a second. I was a Subaru man, you know.
Really?
I was a Subaru man, but you know what? But I gotta say one thing, big shout out to the guys on the Evo page on the Facebook as well. Very helpful people, yeah. Very helpful people.
Shout out to you guys there, man. Shout out. Guys, this car is a beast. I'm a little bit intimidated, it's raining. I know it's 4-wheel drive, but you know, it's raining hard.
Go for it.
And the clutch, Jesus, that's heavy, isn't it? Yeah, that is heavy, that's proper race clutch. Oh, bro, that is a short throw on that.
Yeah,
that must have a short shifter in it, man. let's see, guys. No stalling. Okay. We made it. We made it. Yeah, man. Yeah, this steering weight's nice too. It's just nice. Evo. Raw as hell, bro. Raw as hell. Raw as hell. That's the thing I like. Smiling already, man. All right, I'm gonna give it a launch. First gear. Let's get it. Whoa. Whoa, hold it, coming around the corner. Whoa. What the hell? Oh my god. Bro, you're fighting with the steering too. Yeah. Mate, it wants to take you all over the place, didn't it? You was controlling it well, I didn't even clock that. Mate, this is savage.
It's actually quicker than the
Guys, this is no gas. Bro, the way that pulls. I love it. Second gear. Let's get that again. I've got to. See that it goes. Wind up. Mate, that gearbox though. That shit, like, mate, it's just like bang, bang, bang. It's so. There must be a short shifter in this, man. The throw on that is mint. Second gear pull again. I can't get enough. Comes up so quick, you're hitting red line before you know it, like, wow. It makes you feel alive. This is the thing, guys, like, I always say it, like, when you're in an old car with a lot of power, you just can't replicate that with a new car.
Like Jeremy Clarkson said in one of his videos, he said, when do you feel most alive? When you get that close to death.
Exactly. And with this, it's like that, innit? Wet weather, bro, it's all over the place. I'm mad, just mad. Fully gassed. That is just crazy. Mate, there's not enough road for this car. There ain't enough in the bangs and everything.
Why is this so quick on this?
Oh my god.
Why is this so quick on this?
Mate, do you know what? It feels quicker from the driver's seat. It's weird. It's like you're feeling quicker from that and it's feeling quicker for me in the driver's seat. What the hell? It's 100% traction. I think that's what it is. It's kind of a mind, because it's like, it's wet. You shouldn't be putting exactly, you shouldn't be putting the power down. In my car, we'd be dead. Like, if I took the traction control off, we'd be in a bush. This just applies the power. It's so raw. Oh my god. Mad, you can probably hear the fuel pump too, innit? Like whining, guys. I'm not sure if you're hearing that. We're gonna do a first gear pull. Let's get it. Oh my god, bro.
Mate, I'm telling you, it's quick in the back.
This is too quick. This is too quick. Let's get it. On these smaller roads, mate, it's good night. These curtains, just that boost coming in. Mate, this is savage. This, guys, no gas. Small up. I think we got all four spinning there, bro. It just went all crazy. Oh my god. Love it. I love it. Bro, you're the man. You're the man. Alright guys, so that is a wrap. We're ending the video here. All I can say is savage. Just pure savage. Guys, when I tell you, you can't beat an old school jack car with a big turbo for raw emotion and feeling. It's just, you can't. This car, bro, thank you so much for letting me experience it.
Thank you very much for having me.
Bro, you're welcome. As I say, I've driven like a 360 brake horsepower Evo 6 before, and that felt mad. This, next level. Gas. Thank you for coming, bro. And you did want to mention also that sadly, you're actually thinking of parting in this car?
I'm gonna have to part with it. No fault of the car, just some personal circumstances, and this is the reason why I'm gonna be selling it. So if anybody is interested, no time wasters, please. Just genuine buyers.
Yeah, guys, there you hear it. What a shame, but someone, I guess, is gonna have the chance to own this car. So I will leave links to his Instagram below. So hit him up, guys. If you did enjoy today, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you go back and check some of my other content out too. I know you like that. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.